Are you tired of compromising between power, performance, and portability? What if I told you there's a 2-in-1 laptop in 2024 that offers it all? I mean the 13th gen HP Omen 17. This isn't just another laptop, but it's a game changer. With cutting-edge tech and a robust build, it's ready for anything. Packed with an Intel Core i9-13980HX CPU, an NVIDIA RTX 4070 Ti GPU, plus a 330-watt charger block. These specs mean real-world performance for the toughest tasks. Yes, you heard right. This powerful combo ensures top performance for gaming, video editing, or complex simulations. This laptop is built for you. This isn't your average 2-in-1, it's a versatile powerhouse that adapts to your needs. Tablet for on the go or laptop for intensive tasks, the HP Omen 17 has you covered, and with a beefy 330-watt charger, you can keep the power flowing wherever you go. Work, play, create, no worries about running out of juice. Imagine editing 4K videos on a plane or playing ADA games at a coffee shop. The possibilities are endless. High refresh rate gaming, demanding creative tasks, smooth multitasking, no sweat. The HP Omen 17 handles it all, perfect for work and play, designed for those who demand the best. Its premium design and high-performance capabilities make it a standout for professionals, gamers, and creatives. But does it live up to the hype? With so many features, it's hard to believe. But trust me, the HP Omen 17 is up to the challenge. Let's dive in. From unboxing to real-world testing, we'll explore every aspect of this powerhouse. Stay tuned as we put the HP Omen 17 through its paces. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, and click the link in the video description to get your hands on the HP Omen 17. Unboxing the beast. First impressions matter. First impressions matter, and the HP Omen 17 doesn't disappoint. Lifting the lid reveals a sleek and modern design. The bezels around the display are slim, maximizing screen real estate. The keyboard feels responsive, and the trackpad is spacious and smooth. But what really impressed me was the overall build quality. The aluminum chassis feels solid and well put together. There's no flex or creaking, even when applying pressure. This thing is built to last. Heavyweight champion? Not so fast. Now let's address the elephant in the room: weight. At 4.8 pounds and 1.06 inches thick, the Omen 17 isn't exactly a featherweight. You'll definitely feel it in your backpack. However, considering the sheer power it packs, it's surprisingly portable. This isn't a laptop you'd want to be lugging around all day, but it's manageable for occasional travel or commuting. Plus, the performance gains are well worth the extra weight. Built like a tank, durability meets design. As I mentioned earlier, the build quality of the Omen 17 is top-notch. The aluminum chassis feels incredibly sturdy, and there's no flex or bend anywhere on the laptop. Even the hinge, which can be a weak point on 2-in-1s, feels robust and well-engineered. The matte finish on the lid feels smooth and premium, while also resisting fingerprints like a champ. Overall, the Omen 17 exudes a sense of quality and durability that's rare to find in a laptop, let alone a 2-in-1. Connectivity king. Ports for every need. One area where the Omen 17 truly excels is connectivity. HP has loaded this machine with all the ports you could ever need. You get 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports for lightning-fast data transfer and connecting to external displays. There's also an HDMI 2.1 port for connecting to external monitors or TVs. And for those legacy devices, HP has even included a USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 port. No need for dongles here. Click the link in the description to get the HP Omen 17 at a special promo price. Unleashing the fury, benchmarking the beast. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for: performance. The Omen 17 absolutely flies through everything you throw at it. In synthetic benchmarks, the Core i9-13980HX and RTX 4070 Ti combo put up some seriously impressive numbers. But benchmarks only tell part of the story. In real-world usage, the Omen 17 handles demanding games, video editing, and 3D rendering without breaking a sweat. The 165Hz refresh rate display delivers buttery smooth visuals, making gaming an absolute joy. Keeping it cool. Thermal management mastered. With great power comes great responsibility and, well, heat. Thankfully, HP has done an excellent job with the Omen 17's thermal management system. Even under heavy load, the laptop stays relatively cool and quiet. The fans do spin up when gaming or running demanding tasks, but they're not overly loud or distracting. Overall, HP has struck a good balance between performance and thermals. You can push this laptop hard without worrying about it overheating or sounding like a jet engine. Power through your day battery life that impresses. You wouldn't expect a powerful gaming laptop to have stellar battery life, but the Omen 17 manages to surprise us again. This machine is not just about raw power, it's about endurance too. Imagine being able to game, work and play without constantly worrying about finding the nearest power outlet. In our testing, we got around 6 to 7 hours of mixed usage, which is impressive for a laptop with this kind of hardware. Whether you're editing videos, working on complex spreadsheets, or simply browsing the web, the Omen 17 holds up remarkably well. It's a testament to how far battery technology has come in recent years. Of course, if you're gaming or running demanding tasks, expect that battery life to drop significantly. High-performance activities like these are power-hungry, and no laptop can escape that reality. However, the Omen 17 still manages to offer a respectable amount of playtime before you need to plug in. But for everyday tasks like browsing the web, checking emails, or watching videos, the Omen 17 can last you a surprisingly long time on a single charge. It's perfect for those who need a reliable machine for both work and leisure. So whether you're at a cafe, on a plane, or just lounging at home, you can count on the Omen 17 to keep up with your day-to-day activities without constantly reaching for the charger. The verdict, a 2-in-1 that defies expectations. The HP Omen 17 is a game-changer in the world of 2-in-1 laptops. It's not just another device, it's a revolution in design and performance. It defies expectations of what a 2-in-1 laptop can be. With its seamless transition between laptop and tablet modes, it offers unparalleled flexibility. It's powerful, well-built, and surprisingly portable. Despite its robust build, it's easy to carry around, making it perfect for both work and play. Yes, it's a bit on the heavier side, but the performance and versatility more than make up for it. The HP Omen 17 is equipped with top-of-the-line graphics and processing power, ensuring smooth gameplay and efficient multitasking. If you're looking for a laptop that can handle everything you throw at it, from demanding games to creative tasks, the Omen 17 is in a league of its own. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos, designing intricate graphics, or playing the latest 8AA games, this laptop won't let you down. It's the ultimate 2-in-1 for power users and creatives who refuse to compromise. The HP Omen 17 is designed for those who need a device that can keep up with their dynamic lifestyle, offering both power and portability in one sleek package. It's not just a laptop, it's a statement of what's possible in the realm of 2-in-1 devices. Click the link in the description to get the HP Omen 17 at a special promo price. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Ready to take the plunge? Head over to www.amazon.com to check out the latest prices and configurations of the HP Omen 17. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and share to ensure YouTube notifies you whenever I publish another video soonest.